Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to change your mouse pointer size in Android mobile. Actually my phone is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so it is support desk mode and it is just give us more than normal Android mobile mouse features like change color, change size to different settings. So it is based on customization of the Android OS, and you can see the settings of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just open your menu, then go to settings, then just go all the way down. Then you can see option of general management. Open that. Otherwise you can just search mouse, okay, and you can see here there is an option of mouse and trackpad, the bottom of the page. Then open that. Then you can see option of pointer size and color. Just open that. Then you can see my pointer is a bit too low and it is on the smallest portion of this slide. So you can simply slide to adjust this one, go to all the way this type bigger, but actually it is good, and you can simply change color from here like this. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies in this video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.